today's video, I'm making my version of the Oklahoma onion burger, going double smash on this one, using freshly grounded beef. So if you want to learn how to make it, let's get started. I'm grinding beef chuck today, and I'm going to be grinding it all together with all of the fat so we can get the desired meat to fat ratio. And I picked up this meat grinder off of Amazon, so if you guys are interested in this meat grinder, it'll be down below in the description. It's been a real game changer for me. The way to grind meats easily with this grinder is to chop it up in cubes and go ahead and start feeding it one by one and then push it down at the very end. I was very impressed how easily it shredded this meat. So now let's go ahead and get our knife out, and what we're going to do here is we're going to start chopping up our onion and slicing it as thin as we can for our Oklahoma onion burger. And this is the way I like to make mine. I know you can use other devices to slice your onion a lot thinner, but I wanted to do it with my knife, and I'm pretty happy with the results. All right, so now we got our onions all chopped up. Let's go ahead and oil our Blackstone or griddle, whatever you have, flat iron grill, doesn't matter, and form 2 balls and add some lawyrs seasoning. Now this is OG. I love lawyers seasoning on fries and everything, but right here we're going to be making burgers. So get yourself your meat press and go ahead and press both of these patties down, but don't kill them. Don't smash them down so much. Yes, it's a smash burger, but you also want to keep some of that meaty looking patties. All right. So I ended up making a bunch of them, but I'm only going to be displaying a few of them on here. So get your onions, and once it starts cooking and you seasoned it, go ahead and throw as many onions as you can on here, and don't be stingy. You want to put a lot of onions on here. This is the way it's made, and this is the way I'm going to be making it for you guys. So if it's not exactly how other folks have done it, just know this is my recipe. All right, so now that these onions are starting to caramelize and cook on the Blackstone, what you want to do is go ahead and get your spatula and flip it. And this spatula is made from Blackstone, by the way. I'll go ahead and link it down below if you're interested. I love this thing. So go ahead and get yourself American cheese. Don't get like the super expensive cheese because it's not as good. Just get the cheapy yellow cheese. That's the best one. All right, so I got some butter and I started basting my bread. And we're going to go ahead and toast up the bread on both sides and get it nice and crunchy. All right, once these breads are done, let's go ahead and pull it off of our Blackstone, and let's get ready to prepare our double smash Oklahoma burger. All right, so now that we have it all ready, throw some mustard on there, and these are fresh pickles. I'm gonna put a lot because I'm a pickle guy. I don't know about you guys. If you are, let me know in the comments. So slap one patty on there, slap the other, and now we got a double. Let's go taste this, baby. Now that we have this thing all ready to go, let's give this thing a try. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Bro, look at, you like onion? Oh my God. This thing is literally delicious, man. I definitely recommend this. The caramelized onions, the burger, the simplicity of just the lawyers, so damn good. It's just sloppy, but it's so good. The pickles and the mustard really gives it another level. The only thing I ask of you now is to smash that like button and watch this next video.